No matter how horrendous the crime of raping a child might be, the Supreme Court says executing the rapist is cruel and unusual punishment. Justice Anthony Kennedy called the death penalty not a proportional punishment for the rape of a child, and that the death penalty has to be reserved for the worst of crimes against individuals that take the victim's life.
We have to use it only where the victim has died, not in crimes against individuals where the victim hasn't been killed or wasn't intended to be killed.
The ruling hits hardest in Louisiana, where two death row inmates, Patrick Kennedy and Richard Davis, both convicted of brutally raping young girls, will now likely get life sentences. Disappointed prosecutors there dispute the idea that child rape is not the worst of crimes.
That is depraved and is equal to, if not worse than, the depravity of someone who takes another human being's life.
In a powerful dissent, Justice Samuel Alito also argued that child rape is an executable offense. In the eyes of ordinary Americans, Alito wrote, predators who seek out defenseless young children are the epitome of moral depravity. Beyond Louisiana, the ruling impacts the 4 other states with capital child rape laws on the books, and 5 more states that have the death penalty for crimes like drug trafficking and kidnapping will likely see those laws overturned. This ruling, however, makes no mention of using capital punishment for crimes against the country. That's important because it means the federal death penalty for treason and espionage is still legal. Wyatt Andrews, CBS News at the Supreme Court.